rounding numbers. And when we're rounding, all the work that you've done here in this card set with place value and understanding 10 more or 10 less is very important in being able to decide how we round. And for example, we are rounding the number 964 to the nearest 10. Some important information on this board is it says to the nearest 10, which means we're going to be looking at the tens place in the number 964. We can see the 6 is in the tens. In order for us to know how to round this number, it's important for us to look at what we would call some benchmark numbers, those that are important in helping us find the solution to this. Working in our tens place, we know that we can either be in the 60 or, if we did 10 more, 70. So we have two ends to our number line. We have 60 or 10 more, which is 70. These are our benchmark numbers. And of course, we know it's either 970 or 960. We also know on our number line that between 960 and 970 is the number 965, right in the middle. So the question is, with the number 964, which number is it closest to? You can see that it's just before 965, closer to 960. That means to round 964 to the nearest 10, the solution is 960. Let's scramble our numbers around and try it one more time. We'll still be in our 10 place value, but now let's try 946. We have the number 946. We're still working in our 10 place value. Our tens are where we need to be paying attention. This is what's going to help us develop our number line and look at those benchmark numbers. We know we have 40 here in our tens. We have 40 and 10 more, which is 50. So our benchmark numbers are 940, 950. We know that in between 940 and 950, 40, 50, we have 45. So 945. Between 940 and 950 is 945. And the question is, which is closer? Which is it closer to on the benchmark number line? Well, we have 945, 946. Here is where our number lies on our benchmark number line, closer to 950. That means that rounding the number 946 to the nearest 10 is 950. This is rounding to the tens using a number line as your benchmark.